Now that we've got our paper plate looms ready, we need to warp our loom. So we're going to turn over to the back. You're going to get your warping string or thread or yarn. You're going to pick one of your slots and we're going to line it up. So I'm going to put the short tail poking away from the slot, and I'm going to get some tape and tape it in place. So I've taped it so that it lines up with the slot. Now I'm going to pull it through this slot and I'm going to go to the opposite side of the plate. We have an odd number of slits, so there's not one directly opposite. I'm going to choose the one to the right. Okay, now I'm going to turn back over and I'm going to say I've got 1, 2, 3 cuts, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. I want to go to one of my 3, I want to go to the 3 side, my lower side. So I'm going to do a straight line across to here and I'm going to tuck it into that slot there. Okay, not super loose, not super tight. I'm going to turn over. I want to make a cross and I'm going to go back to next to where we came from. Okay, so I have made a cross. Now that I've done that, I'm going to turn over and I'm going to do a straight line again. Not super loose, not super tight. And I'm going to tuck it through there. So I've got a line again. If I go around the front, it's hanging down here. I'm going to go again across to make it a crossing pattern. Again, I'm not pulling super tight because if I do this, we'll get really flippy floppy. So now I've got that going on. I'm going to turn to the back and see I've got one bit left here where I want to go straight. So I've got my straight line here. It's poking through. I go to the front and I'm going to go over here where I came from before. So it's like this. All right. And I've got one spot left if I turn back over. So I'm going to do the straight line again. And now it's going to be like this, and it's like, but where does this one go? This is how we start our weaving.